Urgent reminder kapatid, handa ka ba kung tumama ang critical na sakit sa'yo? What if tomorrow your life changes forever? Hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari bukas, di ba? Lahat tayo may mga plano. Pero what if bigla na lang ang critical illness like cancer, stroke, or heart attack? Are you ready for that moment? Imagine this. Si Carlos, isang hardworking na father, na biglang na-diagnose ng heart attack. Lahat ng plano, natapos, lahat ng pangarap, biglang nagbago. Hospital bills, medical expenses, and worse, hindi na siya makapagtrabaho. Wala siyang ipon, wala ring financial protection. Hindi siya ready. Kung nangyari yan sa'yo ngayon, paano mo haharapin ang gastusin? Paano kung wala kang savings or insurance? Paano na ang pamilya mo? The stress of being sick is already too much. But the financial burden? That's even harder. How will you feel kapag ang pamilya mo ang naghirap dahil sa financial burden ng iyong sakit? What if you lose your income? What if you can't pay for your treatment? Ang hirap ng pakiramdam ng walang magawa. Hindi ka makapagtrabaho. Tapos ang mahal pa ng bills. Saan ka pupunta? The emotional weight of being sick is hard enough. But knowing you might lose your loved one's security is worse. The thought of burdening them in a time of crisis is crushing. That's where critical illness insurance can help. With the right coverage, you don't have to face the burden alone. It will provide the financial support you need to cover treatment and hospital bills. It will give you time to heal and not worry about how you're going to pay for everything. Start planning now. Don't wait until it's too late. Be ready. And make sure you and your family are protected. Critical illness protection can help you survive the hardest time without the added stress of finances. My name is Rafael Joe Cruz Taduran, critical illness expert, and I'm ready to help you in protecting your family. Kapatid, do it now.